and welcome back to One to Step. In today's tutorial, I'll be helping you learn how to log into WeChat. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Don't forget to press the bell icon since you'll receive instant notifications as soon as we post a new video. Logging into WeChat is easy. Make sure you have signed up for your account and from the app list, tap Open the app. From the very first interface of WeChat, you can select your language by tapping on the language located at the upper right corner. Select the language of your choice and tap Save. Now, in order to log in, at the bottom left, you'll see a login button. Tap on it, and on the next page, you'll need to enter your region first, select it from the list, and once you're done entering your region, type in your phone number. After entering a correct phone number, tap on the next button, tap on Got It from the pop-up, and allow access for WeChat to your photo, medias, and files by tapping on Allow. Tap on Allow one more time to make and manage phone calls as well. On the next page, simply enter your password for your WeChat account. After you're done, tap on the Login button. You can also log in via SMS verification code. To do so, simply tap on Login via SMS code and tap on the Send button at the corner in order to receive a verification code on your mobile number. After entering your credentials, tap on the Login button. The next thing you'll need to do is to verify the identity. Tap on Start to Verify and choose from the following methods to verify your identity. Let me tap on this one. Since I've chosen the SMS verification code, I have received a code. Simply type it in and tap Submit. The security verification has been successful. Tap on OK to log in. You've been logged in any minute now. Tap on Yes, and there you go. That is how you can log into your WeChat application. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll surely be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.